Okay, so this was actually the scope of discussion, why we choose optional as sociology as an optional, then how it will help in the general studies paper and essay paper, okay, and these were the fields. Now, when you want to choose your optional, you have to see whether the subject is a high scoring potential or not. One first criteria to choosing optional is this. Second, you have to see that okay, the syllabus, whether I will be having a limited time of 2 months when I'm getting my prelims result, and from the prelims result till my mains exams, I will be having only 2 months, and in that 2 months, at least I can revise it very well, and how much the syllabus is there. So the you will choose the optional subject according to the length of the syllabus. Then the high scoring potential is not there, and how much it is easy that you can relate with the all other things, because the optional should be you have to write the answer in the optional way only. You cannot write the answer in a general way if they are asking a general topic as well. Now whether it is your liking or not, okay. So in this one you have to keep in your mind that what are the optional you have to choose. Fine, are you agree with me? Now when it comes to the sociology optional, it is why I have chosen the sociology optional also. It is, see, first is, you can see the syllabus here. It is a very short syllabus. Fine. It is very short syllabus, and you can see here, you know, that like fundamentals of sociology. Just when you don't know about this subject also, just go through. I just want to show your syllabus. Fundamentals of sociology will be your first. In that, see, if you don't know, now you don't know about this subject, but still you read the syllabus, you'll see that what is sociology. In the first you have to know this area. First unit will tell us about that how sociology comes, okay, how the society changed and how it came. Then they are saying that it is a science or it is a not science. Fine. Then the third, unity research method is analysis. This is the technique how the you can see that that in the society if anything is changing. Fourth chapter you can see here the six thinkers, and you should know that two paper are there in the UPSC mains exams in the optional paper, in which thinker is most important in the paper one, and thinker will be unlimited thinker will be there in other subjects. But what about the sociology? It will be there only six thinkers. See, we call out Durkheim, Weber, Talcott Parsons, Robert, Merton, and Mead. This six only is there for the thinker. And again, they will ask you why sociology is very easy. Everybody is saying this because examiner is asking only out of the six thinker, no other thinker they will ask you. And again, if you studied once, then you are writing the test. Then you know that okay, last year this thinker came, so this year this will be there. So you're getting some kind of the idea that what is there in the sociology paper it is going to come, but in another subject, in other subject you cannot think it. And lastly, this all thinkers they have died now. I always tell you this because these thinkers they have died means they are not doing any contribution now, and whatever written in the sociology about them, the examiner is going to ask that thing. If you take the example of other subjects like history, like bad, like geography, all other thinkers are there. The main thing you have to see here means definitely the new points and new works they are going to do, and the UPSC is targeting them like a what to say, like a GS paper. It is also not you that optional subject students cannot think that this question can be asked by the UPSC, and in the paper that question will be there. But in sociology, you will be well settled. Okay, I know that this is the area it is going to come. Only thing is how to write the paper. Only I have to know means there is you done. Okay, and the sixth thinkers you can see this is the fourth unit in the syllabus. Fifth will be stratification and mobility. See, society, everybody knows that we are the part of society. When you are born, okay, when we born, it is we are teaching that a child, then family. Then family means where in the family, what type of family? That is joint family or nuclear family. Mothers, fathers are working or not, whether they are doing some kind of agriculture. See, I am thinking that you are unknowingly involved in the sociology. You are unknowingly knowing the society. This is the thing only we have to study. That's it. I'm talking that when you grow up, you do a marriage. Marriage is there. when you go out, how the people is behaving with you, that is there in your syllabus. What is whether you are belonging to what caste, whether you are coming in general category or OBC or SC, that thing only you have to see it here. Then if you are a tribal, what type of tribal society is there in India? See, generally, next is will be health, poverty, women, children. Okay, these are the things which is there. We are not, unattached with all this. We are already attached with this. But when you take other subjects, particularly you have to go and study about history. Particularly you have to go about the geography. Some people are not understanding geography. Some people are not understanding history. But if somebody is taking the optional means they have to go and study about this. So in this, sociology, this is not a way. It is something which we are living since our birth. Only we have to see this is the syllabus. Only they have included in the optional. That is why we are studying in a very right manner. The stratification fifth unit is there in the syllabus. It is saying that how the society is dividing and what the that these thinkers are there. No, they have what told about this. Then what is our work pattern? How is our economic life in our society? What is the politics going on in the society? What do you mean by the power in the society? What is the political power? What is this is the nation state, citizenship? Do you find anything irrelevant here which you don't know here? That is why I'm showing the syllabus, okay? See, religion and society. I told you since your birth, you are whatever you are doing. We are doing work. We are involving in religion. The religion is a part of the society. That this is the what is it? Syllabus of part paper one. See, paper one seems to be very difficult. This is the last one. Social change in modern society. Social change means this is the social change. What now in the COVID-19, what you seeing that the people are today's news only in the Sun News I have seen that people are leaving the Chennai and they're going out of the city. Why? Because they came here in the Chennai and they wanted to do a work. Now work pattern is changing. Now might be kind of social change can be there, which a society will be changing, might be from the urban area to again the village will be going to develop. See, this is what I'm saying that it is a very, very common and general feeling. No way that you are going and taking the book and then only you can clear the exam. This optional subject is like a laddu, in which, when you think you can eat and you can take the 350 and 340 marks like that in your optional subject. So I've showed you here the syllabus, family, household, marriage, family, okay, patriarchy, sexual division of labor, that is between husband and wife, how the work has been divided, then social change that's it in the paper one. Paper one consists of 250 marks. And believe me, till here, I'm showing now syllabus, then I'll show you the last year question paper also. Now, without studying, you can able to at least write something and you will get at least 200 marks in that if you're not studying also. Okay, so research method in analysis and all this you have seen. This is the thinker. Thinker is the 70% covering of paper one, and that too thinker is when it is there in your fingertips, like your finger. We have a six thinker, and you can take it as a finger in your hand. That it is a six thinkers only. We have to study, and up to from this thinker only it is going to come. So this is paper one syllabus. Just go and see it here. That anyhow it is something you can see it anything which is irrelevant, which you don't know, which you're easy and you can't understand if you read. Okay, now come to the paper two. So it is about the Indian society. Okay, Indian society means particularly you have to write about the peculiar things about the Indian society. Now you can see it here, perspective of the study of Indian society, first unit. Here the Bure, Srinivasan Desai. These three thinkers is there. That's it. And second is impact, how our Indian society changed from the British area. See the colonial rule of the Indian society. Okay, you have to see it here, modernization of Indian tradition, then how the Britishers came. Here you have to read that. No new things because already in the modern India you are going to see at least you will having some idea. Now, second thing, social structure, how our social structure has been divided in an Indian society. That is a rural agrarian. Okay, somebody is there in the village, somebody is there in the city. Then what do you mean by village and how this is started? Okay, land tenure system. So you yourself read it here. The next is caste system. You know that what is the caste system and whatever the syllabus you are seeing, no, whatever the topic you are seeing, every time you have to see only these three thinkers will come and say something about this topic. That's it. If you mention about these three thinkers anything about this topic, your paper 2 will be there. You will be like enough. You will get excellent marks of 150, 170 in paper 2 also. Now see the next this paper 2. Next topic, third topic is tribal community. What is the tribal community? How it has been spread? How the Britishers came and these tribal people came into problems. General understanding, social classes in India. What are the social structure? Industrial structure, how it is there, middle class, how it forms. Okay, and this is a system of kingship in India. It means that what type of kingship we are having, some kind of we are keeping our initial. What type of initial we are keeping? We are keeping initial of our father, but not about keeping our initial of a mother. When you study all these things, your mind will be, open like anything, and it will not be open, which is not irrelevant. Sorry, which is not relevant as of now. It will be relevant. Now I'm taking the example. Now you are going temple, you are asking for God, this, give me this, give me that, but you are not confident on yourself. But when sociology, when you study, you will be thinking more analytical wise, that see the problems is there in the grassroots level. Why it is a problem for women? Because it was there in the the father was actually ruling in the family. That is why the daughter, now husband is ruling on them. So in this type of understanding is there in this subject, which is nothing new you have to learn here. See the syllabus first paper already over. Now the second paper already half year finished. Kingship is this. Then again religion, can you see? First paper also religion was there. Here also religion was there. So religion there you have to see it in a that thinker, about the six thinkers what they have told. And here the religion you have to see it here as an Indian society. The social change again it was there in the paper one. So the repetition, can you see it here? Religion and society, social change in India. These are the things when you see that it is a repetition only. Only thing is here you have to write about particularly about the India, and there you have to write about the whole perspective in a holistic way. Now next, rural and agrarian transform. See this one, community development, poverty alleviation program, green revolution. How the green revolution become the social change, changing modes of production in Indian agriculture. Since the India, before the colonial rule agriculture, then after independence agriculture, now present way agriculture. See rural labor bondage migration. Here you will be having more to add in your paper, what to say, as a live example. For example, here you can think after seeing the syllabus itself, you can see problems of rural labor bondage migration. Coming in your mind that, the still in this COVID-19 time, can you see the laborers are, they are going from this city to that city. They are not getting some kind of relief that the government is also not doing. Okay, so this example, if you are writing in your what to say, in your general way and keeping some kind of understanding, then you will be knowing that the examiner also will be in a very good mood, that see the live example, the current example they are able to give in this type of questions. That's it. This is your mark. But this live examples, this current examples, you will not get as another subject because the syllabus will be high. The syllabus will be high and you cannot relate with the general topic as well. Now, sociology, the UPSC is asking that you have to write your answer in this way, but you have to again give your example. Okay, urbanization, urbanization problem, industrialization problem. How does the industry problem started? See, urbanization problem, now you can say in this COVID-19, you can give your example. Then you can say that globalization, urbanization problem happened because globalization happened. That is why this kind of, the virus has been spread all over India. Otherwise, all over the world. This is the way this syllabus is saying. One only thing is like you're thinking, and this politics and society. The same topic you are seeing in the first paper also. Okay, this religionism, what is this secularization, what is this political party, how it influences Indian society. Next is social movement, particularly peasant movement, women's movement, backward Dalit movement, environmental movement, ethnicity. Now you tell me the whole syllabus of our paper has been finished. Paper 1 finished, paper 2 finished. Okay, do you find anything which is irrelevant? You can say that, which is like, you are having getting bored. And when your guidance getting by me, and the examples, main thing in the UPSC, trust me, how much you're reading the topic and how much you can relate with this example is the key to get the marks. And this example when you think, and the sociology is a subject in which you will think more, you will get the examples more, and that examples will help you in your ethics paper also, because they will ask you the right by example by giving the some kind of situation. So this kind of things you can see it here. The syllabus is over, and now this much only you have to read it. And when you are getting the right knowledge by sociology, people will think that the next is population dynamic, how the population is there in the birth rate, migration, how it is affecting, people are going from here to here. This is the challenges of social transformation, crisis of development, poverty, deprivation, inequality, violence against women, caste conflict. This is particularly the syllabus we are having, and this is what to say, like this is finished, our sociology syllabus is finished. That is, I'm saying that it is hardly will take a 3 month time. Now when I actually decided, no, about me, if I want to say it here, when I decided that what to do, my when I chosen to be in the preparation and to give the exams, at that time I choose like public administration, because I was very um, fond of polity. So polity is something which everybody is understanding. Okay. So by thinking the polity, I was thinking, no, I have to go with the PABAD and I have to take the PABAD like that. But PABAD syllabus is less. I will not discourage and I will not criticize any particular subject. Only I will show my subject is better. So, but I am telling my experience. That is why I took the subject name. And suddenly, what happened? If something was going in my mind about the syllabus and everything, I thought like, no, thinkers are many, it is not perfect, like what thinkers they are going to give in the exam. So it's better like I should at least think about the sociology and anthropology like that. Anthropology, when I checked the syllabus, it was something related to some science background, something which is there, which it is not okay with every student of our art background or commerce background. Then I thought at least I should take the sociology. I filled the form in the prelims paper like sociology. I was knowing nothing about the sociology. I thought I will not even clear the prelims also. But see the destiny, that year, 2018, I cleared the prelims. And at that time, I was sitting, keeping my hand on my head that what I'll do now. Now thinking that particular situation also, I got this now 687 rank. Do you understand this? Because of this sociology only. Because the 2 months I prepared sociology and I able to score 290 marks in that. Why? Because it was relevant things. I was able to relate with the current things, and I was writing without my test series because the time was not there. Okay, and the time was not there, and I wrote this exam with my live examples and whatever understanding I had. And believe me, I got highest. Nobody is getting the second paper good marks, but I got second paper very good marks compared to first paper, because first paper is a thinker and all. So, but at least I managed to 290. People are saying that this optional subject is good and all, but do you find that in the 2 months or 3 months that optional can be read by anyone and they will get the 290 marks, something which I got in the sociology? That is why this is personally I'm feeling that I should thank this subject, that at least it is a main criteria, and this is the main responsible that I have cleared this exam. And in interview also sociology helped me. Later I'll talk about my interview. So this syllabus you have seen that this is the syllabus. If you take this optional subject, you will be only feeling about this, which you will not think that any particularly new things you are studying, and the syllabus will be over. Only thing is writing practice. That writing practice, if you do with me, I'm going to tell my experience and what are the unique things you have to do in your answer paper, in which you will easily cross 300, 350 marks in the sociology. And if now, for example, if now I'm giving second time sociology, me definitely I'll cross 350. I have that kind of confidence, but I have no more attempts, so I'm not giving now. Now, talk about the high scoring and safe optional. Why it is a very high, popular subject. You can see here it is a very safe, because in the sense that you will get marks even you write something. Now, see this topic, okay? If the question is asking related to anything about the population of our country, if anything about the migration, anything about the religion, anything about the tribal community, anything about the caste, see, we have some knowledge. At least we will write anything. It is not like they are asking about when the Abdul Muhammad Ghazni comes. When we know about that year, then only we can say that we can write anything. When you ask about any geographical, what is the functions of this particular this one, how the monsoon is coming or something like example, we when we know only we can write it. But this subject If something at least you don't know anything also, if you write, at least you will get 200 marks in there. So that is why it is saying it is a very safe subject. It is saying that you will get marks even you write something relevant topic. Okay, and you can be easily score of 350 marks if possible. Then popular choice. It is a very popular subject among that, and since beginning, okay, from the UPSC when 20 years back also the people used to clear. No, at that time also this paper was very popular. Still it is popular, and in the future also it will be popular because this topic is not going to die. Every time the society is, it will be there in the picture. It is so important. The society is very important. The sociology is very important. That is why now you think that UPSC has changed the syllabus. They have included Indian society in GS1, GS2, ethics paper everywhere. And whenever you are writing your GS paper, you have to add the societal perspective also in your answer, environmental factor also in your answer. Otherwise, your answer you will not get more marks. Okay. So how much important is our society? For example, now personally, I believe that I normally I was going to temple. I'm telling my personal things which I'm doing. I was going to the temple. I used to believe God. I used to believe everything. Now also I'm believing it is a part of our Indian culture. But I used to give most of the things like banana, milk, everything, and I used to donate in the temple by thinking, at least I should clear this exam. I don't know when I started this preparation, it was in the so hurry that I wanted to give my exams. Okay, it was in the September 27, my mains exam was going to start. And I started this optional subject in the month of July 10th because that time only my result came, prelims result came. When I sit with these examples and I was just reading this all this and this one syllabus and I was preparing with the this one subject. One thing it was in my mind that I want to complete the syllabus. That's it. At least I can go and write something about the subject. If I'm not clear, also fine. I'll look up. I'll take care that in the next year like that. Okay. But after reading all these things, then I got analyzed about. See, we are giving so much of meals to the temple. We are giving so much of the 10 rupees, 20 rupees. If we are paying to the tips in the hotel, we are not thinking much. But when that milk and that the sweets and everything, the small children outside they're sitting and they're standing out of the temple, we are least bothered about them. We are donating everything in the temple. People are going huge donation. They're giving the gold and everything. I'm not saying don't give, but what is the relevant thing? What you are doing? See, keep in your heart that if you are not getting that milk and that milk is wasting towards the temple, at least go and give to their children. At least their children will be there happy. So that is why this general understanding, you will feel so good that open mind it will be there in your and your heart will be pure. You will become a pure heart person. Secondly, all the things why there is a crime against women, why there is a crime against child, what is happening in the society, what is the psychologically belief, all these things you will be very enriched by your mind and it will help you like anything in your life also. See, this is what I'm trying to say is here. It is a very popular choice subject. The subject is popular among IAS experts, okay? Among the top 10 ranker, always you will find that at least one will be the optional, will be sociology. And performing it is consistently. Now it is very easy syllabus. I have showed you syllabus, okay? It is very easy syllabus. You can start society and you can start sociology from the nil point and then you will be reaching by taking the 350 marks in that. Then it is a very limited syllabus. I told that all the things will be a very much, two, three topics will be 3 or 4 topics is just going side by side with the paper 1 and paper 2. So that is why you can easily cover the syllabus and it will be easy that nothing new things you are going to read. Now you see GS paper how it is helping. Now, when you're having a sociology as an optional, now sociology exams you will be free. For example, now I'm telling about my example. When the optional subject was there, no, for me, the last day of your means exams will be your optional paper. The optional paper was there. People was, I went to the hall and I gave my exam from the Trivandrum because I want a mind peace relaxation and I don't know I put a Trivandrum as center option and by that because the by this time in the Chennai rains and everything will start, so I thought might be the situation will be there again for the flood like situation, so it's better like keep a safe option like. Then I went there in the optional and we were reading like anything, optional subject, like, geography, history, this, that. And I was very relaxed mind because I completed my syllabus. I was not in a hurry. I thought I know that this is simple only they are going to ask. I know that one question will be there from the religion. I know that something will be there from the rural area or urban life, something. So I will write anything. I was a bit, relaxed and I was giving my exam. All other people were, why they were worrying? They were worrying that I don't know that how the paper is going to come. For example, some years the that paper will be so tough. Some year it will be easy. Some year geography paper will be tough. Some year it will be easy. Now there is no such thing happen in the sociology. Always the sociology paper will be a sociology paper. That same pattern will be there. The same thinker will be there, and you will be there in the relaxed mind that I know about my paper. It is not going to change. If you get this kind of relaxations in your optional subject, they think that how, write, how can you write after getting the classes, after getting the, test series, and, mentored by me, who have already crossed and who has come with, as a flying colors and as a topper. So that is what you have to understand here, the difference of the subject. So see here, 2017, 18 and 19, some question I wanted to show you here from the GS question, okay? GS question is came. But this is the essay paper. Of in the later slide, the GS paper is also there. Now, sociology is an optional, your safe side now, if you're taken. How it will help you in the essay paper also. Now, essay paper will be 250 marks. When you have a paper or pen right now with you, you can write down. Hardly you have to take 850 marks or near about 880 if you're taking in the mains exams. You will be safe side. In the interview marks also it will be added. No, you will be there in the top of first 50. Now essay paper will take you to 250 in your marks. Out of the paper of mains exam, optional subject that is total 500 marks plus GS 250 marks. It is in your hand that how much marks you can gain with this, because it is the advantage of you as a sociology student on other optional subjects that you are having the advantage that you can write your paper better of an essay paper, you can score better. And my success rate also depends in this, okay? Because essay, believe me, I didn't write any essay. I went to the exam hall and I took the sociology topic in that and I write the essay in that. I got near about 120 plus marks in my essay paper. And believe me, this is a good scoring because people are getting 80, 90 like that. And I got 122 marks in my essay paper. And it is something only depend, this success goes to the sociology because this kind of mind happened after reading sociology. Definitely, one section essay and two section will be there, section A, section B. Definitely will get one topic. You take my words, it will be there from the social topic. See it here, it is a 2018, okay, it is a 2017. Farming has lost the ability to be source of subsistence. You won't write anything because the syllabus is there about the agriculture. You have a syllabus of here that rural and agrarian society how it changed. You have an example of that Britisher how came and changed the pattern of agriculture. Again, how it reflects the women, how it reflects it has become a feminization of agriculture. More farmers are going out and they're doing now construction business. This much of point I have added you in this orientation itself. When you study this, what kind of points you can add it in your essay. Now see this impact of new economic measures. So if you see, now destiny of a nation is also shaped in the classroom. This is the teaching, like how the teaching changed the destiny of a nation. Out of these four topics, I I will prefer this farming, and I think the sociology students can better write this topic. Now it is a sure shot that you are getting at least one topic from the sociology in section A. Now come to the section B. Here, joy is the simplest form of gratitude. Fulfillment of a new woman in India is a myth. You can write something about women here. You can write a better and you can write a better essay if this topic if you choose fulfillment of new women in Indian myth. So see the both the topics you will be very happy to write an essay excellently, and then you will be there most you are fixing your 130 to 140 to 150 marks in your essay. Now 150 marks if you hand plus your optional if you're getting 330 340, there you're getting 500 marks. Now, remaining 400 marks only you have to get it from your GS paper. Now, section A, here 2018 also see I want to show you 3 years paper so that you should get the idea that definitely they will be there from the societal and society prospect one essay topic will be there. See here, alternative technology, good life, with poverty anywhere. I wrote, this is my, when I wrote this exam, I choose this poverty anywhere is a threat. You can write one social issue topic, it is there. You can write excellent answer in this. Now, customary morality, or the people that values privilege, avoids principle, loses both. Or, the past is a permanent dimension of human. So can you see it here? Customary morality cannot be guide to a modern life. You can add here excellent answers with the caste system, with all that permanent society and all that you can add. So here also you can choose. Now this is the 2019. You can see here 2019 essay paper. Here also one topic was there. It is C. Wisdom is finds truth, value or not of humanity. C. Best for an individual is not necessarily best for the society. There are questions, society-based questions. Okay, essay. Now you can choose it here. So definitely sociology students will go and take this essay topic. Here also see, here one topic is bias, this is neglect of Indian, primary healthcare aid education in India, a reason for its backwardness. I told you you have to write a health, education, hunger, poverty, women, children, all will be there in our study. And later it will help you in the GS paper of Indian society. No need to read about the Indian society. All these things will be covered up in their sociology only. Now, sure short, two topics are there in which you can write a better answer and which the area is there perfectly from your area. Okay. Second, essay paper you have now see about the gender studies paper. After having the sociology optional, how in the sociology plus GS paper also it is helping. See here in the GS paper one optional will be question related to Indian society, topics like social empowerment, socialism, all these topics will be there in paper one. That paper one question, I'm going to show it here. Most of the questions will be there from the 15 marks question. And 15 marks questions you can see better if you write it, no, you will get at least you will be there maximum marks you can able to score it here. Think about in the paper one, geography will be there, okay, history will be there, modern history will be there. But that question you cannot predict it that particularly from the history or from the geography what question is going to come. So if there's some questions they have asked you in the main paper one, which is you don't know, you cannot write it here. But that will, that will compensate the question when you're writing about the society questions because society question definitely you will be knowing that it will be coming from this area only and I can write a better answer. So to write the better answer, that to 15 mark questions, it will compensate which questions which is you don't know in the history and geography in the paper one. Okay, so this much of relevant and this much of important, it will give you the sociology that if you take the sociology as an option. So in GS paper 2C, this vulnerable section, themes for vulnerable sections like health, poverty and all that topic will be there. That also you can write excellent way. Uh, I'm saying sure shortly you can write this question which you cannot write by the quality questions or by the other questions which you don't know about this the question. For example, they ask about something CAT, okay, Central Tribunal, something Central Administrative Tribunal. You have not studied. Now you have no point to write about in the second paper. So you are just filling the paper by one paper you have filled it, but you will compensate if you 15 marks questions from your sociology questions or from the social society questions. You can write excellent answer as compared to that particular question. In GS paper 3, this will be there, okay, extreme problem and all this, that also you can write it better. Then in the ethics paper also, they will give you the answer, the questions like to analytical type of questions, like you have to write the case study something which you can write excellent way when you have a greater knowledge. See, society, if you have a empathy, empathy about women, okay, you have a feelings about like why children are taking begging and the beggars are there on the road, why the problems is facing politically, why people are affecting. When you have this kind of general feeling understanding after sociology subject, you are writing also in case study will show that you are very calm empathy people, you have a feeling for the people. As a right civil servant you will be developed as yourself as a personality. So that helps you to inner, why I become some student came to me when I took social issues classes in Kingmakers Academy now, and they asked me like, why, ma'am, how you are like this? How you are so down to earth? How you are, always, helping to the students like that? I said, see, it is just my habit, but I'm telling you, this habit and all this thinking came after I studied sociology. I'm telling you, this is the correct and this is the 100% right because that type of thinking was not there with me. I cannot rely with the people's problem. But now at least I can understand that, okay, this issues are there. Children are, for example, I want to take it here. People are saying that sex workers are not good. But I'm saying that they think about their problem. If they're saying that politics are not good, but think about the good things also in politics. So in this area, if you are writing in your paper, in the ethics paper also, examiner will know that you are right, civil servant, you are a, believing and you have a feeling for the society and section of society's people. So that will reflect in your answer. Now see some questions in GS paper 1 2018. Now you see that this was a question which is there in GS paper 1, but after having a sociology idea and sociology, if you are a student of sociology, you can write excellent answer about this. See, they asked about the communism arises either due to the power struggle. Now this related to communism and it came in 15 marks question. Now women's movement in India has not addressed 15 marks question. Globalization is generally said to promote cultural homogenization, 15 marks question. See here, 15, 15, 15, it's near about 45 marks. How the Indian concept of secularism different from the Western modern of secularism. How the caste system is assuming you. This is not a sociology question. This is not a sociology question I'm showing. This is a GS question which everybody is writing. But what about you? When you compare with other students, you can write excellent answer. When I've already showed you the syllabus book. You can write excellent answer in this, and maximum marks you will get in your GS paper also. So that is why I wanted to show you the sample question also. Now, despite implementations of various programs eradicating poverty by the government of India, poverty still exists. They are giving more weightage to the society. Now poverty, hunger, problem, education, whatever. This is the social issues. They are the society. Why we can write better answer and the best answer we can write. You know, actually also now you can write the best answer. Now here the GS paper. This is 15 marks, this is 15 marks, this is 15 marks, and this is 10 marks. How many marks it is? It's near about 60 marks questions. You can write and at least you get 40 marks. You can take it from here and remaining 15 questions which is there because 20 questions will be there in GS paper and remaining 15 questions you can write. If you don't know also in that, at least it will compensate here. So you will be there. Nobody will stop you to clear the mains exams when you take the sociology as an optional. Take my word. Then here's paper 2. See this example of this question for 2018. How far do you agree with the focus on the lack of availability of food? Okay, human development. Vulnerable section of society. Multiplicity of various commissions for the vulnerable section of society. Then appropriate local community level healthcare intervention. See whether National Commission for Scheduled Castes can impose the implementation of constitutional reservation. These are the sample questions of 2018. I returned these questions despite of having any test writing practice anything because only thing matter was I studied sociology like anything. In the 2 months I completed the syllabus and I got a very free idea about how to handle the paper. And this sharing of mine, this tricks and this one I wanted to share with you people that at least I should share you that studying, if you're studying by yourself or you're studying by some other institute also, but how to write and how to score your maximum marks, at least I got some kind of idea that I am not confident, I'm very much confident now that how I approach these questions in my GS paper. That is why I cleared the mains. I approach in the sociology paper and essay paper. That is why I cleared. So that I wanted to tell you people here. Now these are the questions, see 15 marks, 15 marks, 15 marks, and you can write your answer in a very good way. Dear paper 4, this kind of things they will give you. See, this is the what is it, case study. Like Rakesh is a responsible district level officer. Now you have to think that you are a Rakesh who enjoyed the trust of his higher officers. Knowing his honesty, the government entrusted him with the responsibility of identifying the beneficiaries under the healthcare scheme as and meant for senior citizens. It means that you are an IAS officer, you are a district level officer. Now healthcare schemes are there which is meant for a senior citizen. But criteria of giving that healthcare to the 60 years of above, and these are the criteria. Now they have given the case study that one day an old couple visited Rakesh office with their application. Now they had been the resident of village in the district since their birth. Now old man is diagnosed with the rare condition and this, as a consequence, he has several severe abdominal pain. Now the couple has no children. Now they are asking, however, the couple will have a bear the cost of incidental charge such as medicine, etc. Rupees of 1 lakh. The couple fulfill all the criteria except criteria B, that is belonging to reserved community. However, any financial aid will certainly make a significant difference. Do you think that it is related to society questions? Now, in our home also home, old people are there. Do you will not find any kind of empathy, but here you have to think both the way. You have to help to the now UPSC want to see that what type of person you are. Are you a real civil servant or not? You have to write about this in a 250 words of your own. Who are you? And when you will become a good person, it will reflect in your answer choice as well. So this is why I'm showing GS also in this way. It is helping when you are a sociology as in your option. In doing a good thing, everything is not prohibited expressly. Okay, this was a question in the ethics paper. Give an example as a civil servant and a public servant and give the example. Now these are the questions. Suppose the government of India constructing a dam on a mountain valley. Now what rational policy should be resort to dealing with the unforeseen contingencies? See, everywhere they are expecting you that you should be having a feeling for the people or section of people, feeling for the environment, feeling for the older people. Okay, this was actually what is the ethics paper. When I have seen essay, I'm showing. I showed you 3 years paper. It was there for definitely social issue was there. Topic was there. GS paper, you have seen that many areas were there from the in which you can write excellent answer. Paper 2, paper 3, paper 4 ethics. Now when I also cross this, and you people also will cross, first means when you write with a sociology optional, trust me, you are not, nobody will stop you to clearing this exam from the means. Okay, means definitely will be clear. And whatever the things it is required, I'm telling you, it will compensate with your essay paper, sociology paper, and remaining of your GS this kind of society paper. Now, how it will help you in your interview? Now, you are a sociology student, you have enough way to talk about the society. You can, if anybody is saying that, no, see, for example, I'm telling you, in our Chennai itself, the cases came, no, that girls has been stabbed by a knife. Okay, love, somebody's failure means they are coming and killing the girls. Okay, so if you go and take the opinion, no, அவங்க என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, they'll say that பசங்க என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா, they'll say that it is good. Yeah, girls are taking advantage of the guy's emotions, and at last they are going and saying that no, we are not okay with your life, we are breaking now. So when you talk to other people, they'll say no, no, it is not good. Who gives the authority to kill that girl? உங்களோட மைண்ட் என்ன இருக்கு? You will think as a both the prospect. It is not good if the girls, they are using the boys' emotions also. At the same time, it is also not good that if somebody is saying no, no na no, that's it. அந்த நோ வந்து எப்படின்னா இருக்கலாம். It will be there in the mother's talking. அம்மா வந்து இன்னைக்கு வெளியே போக கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லும்போது you have to think, yeah, அம்மா சொல்றாங்க, you have to listen. So you will be generally, your mind will be like that. You will understand the problem easily with everybody. You will be very right person. You will understand எதுக்கு அவங்க அப்படி இருக்காங்க. If the girls are going okay, might be அவங்க social issues இருக்கும். Maybe their parents are not okay with them. You will be perfectly understanding the situation. At the same time, killing now, who will give the right to kill the anybody? Not we don't have any right to kill even the animal also. Okay, that type of general things, you will become so good in your thinking and you will be so good-hearted person, and that UPSC actually wants. That is why they include the Indian society here. Now, after giving your mains exam, when you go to interview, there you have to face the interview board, and there you will be feeling that they are going to ask you the questions. But trust me, I'm going to share my experience also here. But see it here, the interview only will be there from the important current affairs, and the current affairs always will be there. Any when you're a sociology student, no, they will be getting some current affairs issue so that they can ask you, and you will be having a better opportunity that you can give your answer. As a sociology student, already you become so your broader mind. So whatever answer you will give, no, they will be agree and they will be happy by your answer. So safe side, you will going to pass your half an hour there in the interview board with your perfect area, that is current affairs, but that current affairs will be there from the society background. For example, when I attended the interview, I'm going to tell you here, I had an issue Some problems were there. That is why I was not able to attend the mock interview also. So that is why I went directly to the interview board and I faced interview board there directly. Now, when I entered, they saw me my this one DAF paper, and there in the DAF paper, it was nothing much very good. For example, if somebody is working out with any other big companies, or they are working since 10 years, 5 years, or they have a good educational background, such as engineering, they will ask you questions from that area. At least they will get a area that from there they can ask you the relevant question. Now, coming to me, I am very much art student, sorry, commerce student. Nothing much. I have studied from the government school. I have not worked anywhere. I was a housewife. Nothing they can say, like they can ask a questions in which I will get better good marks, because if the question they will ask you, then only you can answer. And which area they cannot ask, no, that what kind of food you are making as a housewife. So, but sociology saves me here, because as a subject of sociology, it is the current issues was there. For example, dowry was a current issue. Triple talaq was a current issue. Girls, child marriage was there actually. Then caste systems, everything, tribal issue. And as I born and brought up from Andaman Nicobar, Port Blair, so tribal issues were there. They asked me about this area only, and it actually worked, and I was able to answer that very well. They asked me like, what do you think about dowry? I said it is good as such. If the dowry is very good, but as such we have to educate our girl child, and we have to give us a dowry, not in a kind of money, but we have to provide the dowry as a girl's education. If dowry means what? We are giving something when after in the time of marriage. So in the time of marriage, at least we have to give the dowry like a education to the children, your girl, and at least she should be there in some kind of job, so that nobody should harass her. That's it, I give their answer. Then they talk about the triple talaq. I said, yeah, it is not good that triple talaq is going to criminalize. It is not good because it is civil law. So people has a right. If there is a problem, means the law should be there. But it is not good that people, those who are giving the talaq, means they are getting 3 years of imprisonment and some kind of fine. So this answer actually, enriched my knowledge as well, and I was safe to handle my interview, because current issue always there. From the always, that I should not say this, I should not use this word, but rape issue is there. Children's rape issue is there. Why? The psychologically changing among them. People are blaming to the other people that no, girls when அப்படியெல்லாம் வந்து துணி போட்டுட்டு போகும்போது தான் they are like facing this kind of rape issue. But what about the other people? Sociology students will go and say, then what about the children? If the small children, they are raped by somebody, means they are really looking at the dresses. Now, children are being raped, means it is a problem of psychologically. Don't educate your girls, educate your boys. In the much sort of confidence, sort of you can give your strong points, because your thinking will change after this. And when your thinking will change, that thing will be reflecting in your character, in your nature. So in this way, even the interview also you can face, which I faced in that, and it saved me, and I got 179 marks in that without any mock interview. Okay, and it was the first mains. Again and again telling you, I'm proud that because of this, optional, I able to clear my mains exams, I able to clear my interview, and I got this rank. Rank is 687, because at least I'm there in my list of my successful candidates, and this happened because of this optional only. And this is something which you can say that this is very good score you can get it. Okay, by this, so society can be changing, political system. So society is something depend on the society, that is political systems, religion, marriage, children, these and everything. It is a base. Society is a base which we are just reading now in our optional. That's it. So this is the actually society and sociology is all about. The previous year, if you want to see the question paper, I want to show it here. Let's see. Now you don't know about the sociology, okay? But I can just go through with this question. Explain. This was a 2019 question. If you don't know about the subject, also see. At least you will write anything. That is why I wanted to show you here this question. Explain how sociology has emerged as a distinct discipline. Do you see in the first our paper one first topic is how sociology emerged? The first question they have asked. And this is the research method and research method that topic. No, this is the question from that area. Then illustrate example significance sociology research. Third unit. This side by side they're asking, and this is not the first year they're asking. Every year the question will be this only. It will not be any time it will be out of syllabus or something. Then critically announced touted person. See poverty. Discuss the changing equation of discipline of sociology, social science. Examining the postulate of positivism, post-positivism. Then elaborate the main tenets of interpretative perspective social. All is there in the syllabus paper 1. Discuss distinct method by Durkheim. See how many thinkers. Now Parkes we have seen, Durkheim we have seen. Okay, here Marx we have seen. Okay, here the research. Again the topic 3 is coming here. Now Weberian, our 6 thinkers out of that, this thinker now they are asking. These thinkers asking means they are asking the same thing we have done 20 years back, or 50 years back, or 100 years back. You have to write the same thing which is there, which I am going to teach you. Now, examining gender. What is the gender ethnicity? This is the sociological research inequality. This is paper A, section A. You have to write only 2 questions in that. See, understand the labor. Then assessment of Durkheim. Again Durkheim. Okay, see Marx assess the role mass media agent of social change. Can you see it any questions which is there out of the syllabus? Assessment of Durkheim's nation state sociology of religion. Then society in post-independent India. Then here see new social movement. Here dynamics of pressure goes multi-party political system. See, can you see it here? Can't you write after attending the classes? Can't you write after attending all the practice questions and test series? This is the way I'm saying you. This will give you an advantage over other syllabus, other optional subjects, that it is in your hand. What are the questions better? So the next is contemporary family related questions. Kingship. Okay, everything is there inside our syllabus. Now this is social change in adult retail society. If you don't know also, at least you will write something here. And it is also 2020 marks. Okay. See, elaborate various religions, parties, science and technology, how it is bringing the social change. Social change, how it is science and technology. Now in the COVID time also we are using science and technology. Now this is a social change. How the poor people also, using the direct benefit transfer method. How they are using the ATM cards now. This is a social change. Social change means it changes society from the ground level and all the section of the people. So this the paper 1 has been finished. You will write this question. You will come with this is actually paper 1 section A and section B. It means that paper, this is only paper 1 I took. Indian society is also there. The same way this will be there. Okay. Now you have seen the questions also. It was a last year question. So relevant things it is there. You can write these questions. You can easily attend and you will get most 300 plus. Definitely the marks you will get it. Now, when you join these classes, what you will get is videos you are going to get it. Whatever the videos I am going to teach in that video, the PPT and everything you will get. Answer writing practice you will get. Test series free of cost. The test series you are going to take it when you are after the prelims exams and the result is coming. You are going and taking the test series by paying 5,000, 7,000 in other academy or all. So there, this you are getting it here free. Evaluation will be done by me because I know I'm a topper and I clear from this subject means I know that how to evaluate and what are the things you have to write in the paper. So it's not like the paper is dealt by those who are not clear the mains exams or they are not knowing that how to evaluate the paper. It is like it is your you are in the safer side. Not toppers for teach the future topper. So I am the topper. I am going to teach you people for the future topper, and you can also become a topper. And I scored 290 marks in less than preparations, make you people cross 330 marks. So how you can link with the current sociology, which it will help you not only in your GS paper as well as it will help you in the sociology paper. So your GS paper analysis and how to deal with this topic also anytime you can ask me. I will be available not only for sociology, for other GS papers if any doubts you have. You can score 350 plus marks in this with my guidance, and I have newly cleared, so I can give you the main technique how to score better, and will share my experience as well as while giving exams. So through sense of changing pattern of questions, how they're asking and what I felt and how I cope up with this situation is, I can give you the better idea in that. Okay. So the classes schedules, you can see it here is it's weekly 5 days class will be there. It will be a 1.5 hour class or 2 hour class will be there. And one day the live class will be there in which you can ask any questions, anything. Then after finishing my chapter, any chapter will solve with the previous year questions paper, because many times always this one sociology questions are repeating. Okay, so we are going to see, and we are going to, I'll tell you the trick how to write the questions answer also. Then we'll discuss also. Then PPT also, whatever I am making, I'm going to share it. Then perfect evaluations will be there, and how to write a good answer also. Always I'll be there to tell you people. It is a 3 month course, so you can finish your this sociology optional in the before the prelims, that is October 4th. So this is my responsibility. I'll make you people clear. Then after prelims, you can join the test batch free for sociology, and will handled by me only. So I will only going to correct again. Here one time you're writing the answer. Now you're taking the practice here. Here after the syllabus, after finishing the syllabus, now you will get the free test series. With that, then you can come and write your test, and I will evaluate your paper. Now, full-time attentions and doubt clearing session also will be there with me. Now, the next thing, online class starts very soon. It is starting from June 22. It's a very limited seats is there. Now, the fees is there in the description links you will get, and you will be there. But I will not say that just wait and like think more and more, and then you decide, because don't regret later. Be a topper in the IS exams is sociology optional by me as a topper. And now, what to say? You are thinking that, no, whether I have to be there, I can make it or not, I can study yourself. Yeah, you can study yourself, but think again, you have to join the test series. Again, you have to pay for 7,000. Again, you're going for essay. When you're going to write the mains exams, again essay paper, you have to be very particular how to write the essay. There you will spend extra. But if you are spending here, you will not be going to spend here more when you're going to go with the test, test series, or you are going to pay for the essay paper as well. So here, just take a good decision and attend it, and that too when I am available, because maybe this year I'm available because this is now late. So when I'm going to join very soon, I'm also going to join like that. But it is an opportunity that I am here now with the kingmakers. So now I can even handle the subject. I don't want to give a false, what to say, a belief. But I want you people, if you're giving the film this year, means definitely you should write the mains exams with sociology optional, and you should clear the exams, because the guarantee is there with me. If you are okay, if I will be handle your classes. Okay, so this is like the details is there. If you want to know about any details, you can go with this, and you can straight away you can call me also, and you can call the academy also, and see, the dreams will come true surely. The dreams come true for me, and I will get IPS or IARS. Okay, anything this two, I'll be there. So you can see it here. Your name also, you will be there. IAS officer, IPS officers. This type of feelings you will be having now. You are preparing. So I have already reached here. So very soon in my name it will be there, either IPS or IARS. Okay. So for that I am waiting eagerly with me. I will be happy to teach you people, and if I get means I will be feeling that having the sociology optional is so lucky, and you people are so lucky that I am joining as IPS now. So this is also a fact. So I've already reached here. You people are waiting here. So just take a call in a very right time, and decide yourself. If you are having some other optional also, just think about it, and be in the safer hand, I'll say. Okay. So be in the safer side, like be in the safe optional with the safe optional handle people. So I have already reached here. I'm waiting here. I have also want to see your name also here.